Hi, I am artist Clémence Projet, and today I want to talk to you about my art project, my project that I call In Awe of Nature. So a few months ago, I asked on every social platform that I ask in my community, what place in Ireland makes you feel in awe of nature? And this is the top 10 answers. Among these 10 locations, I selected 6 destinations that I want to paint this year. So I will be traveling to each location and paint plein air on small canvases like this. And then I will go back to my studio and paint on bigger canvases. So I'm here today to ask for your help to support my project In Awe of Nature. So you can give €5, €10, €20, €30 per month to support my project. You can cancel anytime and you will receive a lot of gifts, updates and special video calls with me every month. So I will be very grateful if you go to my Patreon page. The link is in the description, is www.patreon.com/ClémenceProjet. So thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.